Your caterpillars have arrived.
Stick it up in the front of the bed.
What do butterflies eat?
Butterflies only eat liquids. They can fly 30 miles an hour. They can fly 100 miles a day. Butterflies taste with their feet.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go.
That one's going to stay there forever. You have to stand like that.
Fly!
Oh, there you go. Oh, in the grass. Alright, I believe in you.
I believe I can fly.
Come on!
I believe I can.
Come on, Chester!
There it goes.
Good deal. Wow.
I just want to get Billy and Stacy's slippers.
Come on! Go be with your friends.
I ain't focusing on the butterfly, I'm focusing on the slippers. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Yeah, he's pretty. Yeah. Oh, you got him. Let me see. Ooh. Fly. Yeah, you can. You can do it. This one like won't fly away. You can do it.